Welcome to 1815 Hawthorne Street. This is our newest listing located right here in the heart of Dearborn, Michigan. This home is amazing. Features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 2,100 square feet. Perfect location right down the street from Dearborn Country Club. You're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. Hey folks, thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any more questions on this property or any other properties in the area, feel free to reach out to any one of our agents at 734-329-0123. Thanks and make it a great day.